So growing money isn't the same as growing a plant. That would be ridiculous. And I can't believe I thought that was a good idea.
Well, now that we've heard about interest, it kind of is.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, you need to invest or put money in to start. That's like a seed.
Oh, and the soil is the skills and experience you bring.
Yeah. And some plants need lots of care and attention, while others just need time to grow.
Just like a business will need you to put in time and effort, and interest can take a while to add up.
Yeah.
So the watering can is liquid assets?
Sure.
Nice. So let's see how Yellow is going to grow his money. Hello, Yellow!
Oh, hey everyone.
Kia ora, Yellow. How are you planning to grow your money?
Oh, I'm really excited. Now that I'm working with Tiara on T&Y jewellery restoration and doing the lawns for Auntie, I'm earning lots more.
You're doing great, partner.
Well, so I'm going to put half the money from our business into a savings account, and then the other half is to save for an ultrasonic jewellery cleaner.
Wow!
And I'm also going to save half the money I get for doing the lawns, and then some will go towards the things that I want to do with my friends. Treats and stuff.
Ah, nice one, Yellow.
Next time, we'll be helping you keep safe from scams. We don't want anyone stealing your hard-earned cash.
Scams? Shh, no way. I'm too smart for that. Guys, I got an email. Let's just see what happens if I click on this link.
Don't click on it.
Oh, well, it says it's urgent. Done. Now, where's that, Oh, there he is.
Hello, darling. Money is the seed. Soil is the skills you need. It'll take some work, some heavy toil to get that business on the boil. Grow it like a puppy dog onto a furry beast. Grow it like a yummy snack that turns into a feast. Grow it like the long nose on a lying little puppet. Grow it with your brains, don't spin like a muppet. Interest, that'll grow too. Invest in everything you do. Invent a flying canoe. Ensure it's patented.
Keep watching. No, don't watch. Keep watching. Don't watch. Don't watch. Watch. Don't watch. Watch. Don't watch. Ah.